Did you know that mastering the rotate and fill tools in Illustrator can dramatically enhance your design efficiency and color accuracy?
In this tutorial, you will learn how to effectively use the rotate and fill tools in Adobe Illustrator to achieve perfect colors in your designs.
We'll explore the rotate tool, how to easily adjust angles, and then dive into the fill tool to demonstrate how to apply colors seamlessly to your shapes. Begin by drawing a star shape using the star tool. Make a copy of the star by selecting it and holding Alt, Option on Mac, while dragging it a short distance above the original. Use the selection tool, V, to select both the original and the duplicate stars. With both stars selected, switch to the Shape Builder tool, Shift+M. Hover over the overlapping middle part of the two stars and click to combine this section into a new shape. After selecting the middle part, use the selection tool to delete the remaining outer sections of both stars. The shape from the middle part will remain, forming a new, unique design. This technique creates an interesting, merged shape from the overlapping portions of the stars. Now select this shape and click on the Rotate tool. After that, press the Alt key and double-click on the edge of this shape. This will open a box in front of you, where you will write 360/15, make it OK. In this way, keep pressing Ctrl-D and duplicate copies will appear, thus 15 duplicates will appear, and will become a beautiful shape. Now inside this shape we will fill a lot of colors. The tool we're using for this is called the Live Paint Bucket. It's located under the Shape Builder tool. Select your shape. Begin by selecting your shape using the selection tool, V. Live Paint Bucket tool. With your shape selected, go to the Live Paint Bucket tool, K. Choose a color. Pick a color of your choice from the color palette or swatches. Move the Live Paint Bucket over the areas of the shape you want to color. As you hover, a small arrow will appear indicating the section to be filled. Click to fill. Simply click inside the desired section to apply the color. Continue this for other parts of the shape, choosing the colors your heart desires. Enjoy the process of filling your shape with vibrant colors. After coloring your first shape, make a duplicate copy by selecting it and using Alt, Option on Mac, while dragging to create the copy. Select the duplicate and go to the Live Paint Bucket tool, K, again. Choose a different set of colors from the color palette that complement your design. Just as before, hover over the sections of the duplicate shape, and when the arrow mark appears, click to fill those areas with the new colors. As you continue adding different colors to each duplicate, your image will grow visually bigger, fuller, and richer with a vibrant blend of colors. This technique will help create a striking, multicolored design. Of course, by now you must have understood the technique well. Give it a try yourself. Take any shape of your choice, apply any colors that inspire you, and create a truly beautiful image. Experiment with different shapes and color combinations to see what unique designs you can come up with. Once you're done, let me know how it went by leaving a comment in the description box. I'd love to see your creations.